state said nobody contested that Section 387 of the CPC has been violated to charge the accused people instead of referring them to the inquest. Then I will refer you to the judgment of Justice Nga. I'm giving you the citation just now, where the court said, upheld in Nyeri, that it is fatal to charge a police officer before referring him to the inquest. Section 387, my Lord, you can look at it. I'll give the citation of Justice Nga.
Just a minute. Just excuse me, maybe there's something I'm missing.
We'll give my Lord that citation that makes this and his trial a complete attack on the rule of law. And my Lord, as you retire to write your ruling, the first accused person has filed an application then under Section 276 to quash the charge.
That is another matter.
In this matter.
In this one.
In this matter. My Lord, I found the citation as you retire. It is the Laban.
Just a minute.
In the case of Laban Kipsang Tendet and another versus the DPP, criminal case number 20 of 2014, the brother justice.
Give me the citation. Is it reported?
It is reported.
Citation of the report.
2016. EPLR.
Well, it's not in my nature to interrupt, but allow me to interrupt. Because my understanding is that my colleague made an application, responded, they're supposed to respond. How will we distinguish an authority being introduced during submission to our submission? The issue of Section 387, the CPC, and the issue of an application or the precedent was not raised by them in the submission in the base application, which was 9/7 September 2021. How will we be able to respond to these issues being brought up afresh? My colleague, with a lot of respect, will combine in some the submissions made by ourselves during the last time we were here. Thank you, Madam.
My Lord, my young lady here who never went to Alliance, went to Kianjokoma Secondary School, that is the first issue I started. That is the first issue I raised.
Mr. Omari, the issue is the submission authorities?
I can remove the authority.
Did you supply that authority?
That one I can remove it.
Please, can we limit ourselves to the rules of evidence?
All right. The authority
Do
I'm
you know
removing.
what the movement of prosecution entails? Response and the further response.
My Lord,
Can we limit ourselves to?
my Lord, on the question of section 387, I dwelt on it several.
You know, you're finishing your 10 minutes. They are not responding to what they raised. You are bringing new issues now.
All right, I stand there.
Also, blood
My Lord, on the, we raised the question of the seriousness of my Lord, you are recording. I already started.
Yes.
On the seriousness and the nature of the offense, we did supply the Mulwatetu authority. That murder now, somebody can be jailed for a day. It is no longer a serious offense. Lord, they raised a question that this matter, there was a cover-up. But the matter was not reported in the OB. Lord, it is also mentioned that the matter was reported as a road traffic offense accident with full details. So there was no cover. Third, my Lord, they raised the question that the first accused and the others are still serving police officers. We produced interdiction letters, and that is provided by the standing orders. My Lord, in the interdiction letter, paragraph 43, paragraph 47, subparagraph 3 of cap 30 of the service standing orders and delegated by the Inspector General by the circular number 1/2016. The law is there, but they automatically got interdicted upon them being charged. Lord, the fifth issue that was raised before you is a question of public interest, and that this matter is in the public domain. We laid bare that the civil society is using this matter for financial campaigns. And that is why it was blown out of proportion. And the counsel for IMLU said and stated that there were riots and property was destroyed. And we see that that was state-managed instigation by the civil society. My Lord, The rest is the question of high tension. I leave it for the probation officer's report. But no evidence was put before him. Lord, on the question of victim protection that was raised, I leave it because a report is being presented before you. Anna, the state raised the question that the first accused person has no fixed abode. In his affidavit, in paragraph 20, the affidavit of the first accused person seeking for bail, in paragraph 20, the state bothered to read that affidavit. The first accused person I'll get to the paragraph that says where he stays. Paragraph 17, Your Honor, not 20. He says that I have a permanent place of abode in South Imenti sub-county, in Meru County, within the Republic of Kenya. That have not applied. That is an affidavit that was not served yesterday. It is an application of an affidavit filed on 5th, on 7th of September. So the place of fixed abode is all a new matter. My Lord, my good friend Koi raised serious issues, that the statements we provided as exonerating statements, they all look similar in tone, context, and they were drawn by officers working at Manyata Police Station. They are almost the same. And they cannot be any different because they are talking of the same subject matter, same transactions. Imlu raised issues of re-victimization and seeking for restitutional reliefs. Lord, this is a plea, it's a bail application. Nobody has been convicted. For Imlu to talk about restitution and the reliefs. Lord, we raised the issue that the mother is greatly affected, and during the burial, she was completely emotionally drained. Counsel representing LSK confirmed she attended the funeral. She's highly conflicted. She was not talking of fact, she's talking of from a point of conflict. She attended the funeral. Counsel for Imlu confirmed he hails from the place he himself is a victim. The objectivity test.
Sanjaronga, you said that?
Yes, let him deny.
I already said that I practice.
That's what I'm saying. We got it. We got it.
Live in
Not
Kianjokoma,
No.
Embu.
Embu County.
Yeah, we don't know whether he owns land or not. That is a clarification for you. My Lord, we are showing you the type of vested interest.
Mr. Omari, everybody in Embu County is a victim. Just proceed.
That's what I like, my Lord.
I thought he had actually said, because I didn't know
He never clarified.
that he comes from the vicinity.
That's actually what we got.
If it's Embu, it's okay. You can.
If he works there, then there is no problem. As we thought, he hails from that. Thank you, Council, for. Council for Imri said a Land Rover, a Land Cruiser of the police was banned. It is nowhere in IPOA's evidence. It is nowhere in the verbal argument by the state. My Lord, you now understand what I'm saying? This is prosecution by the civil society, not by the state. My Lord, in paragraph 7 of my client's affidavit, the first accused person provides a detailed explanation how the police Land Rover was banned. Paragraph 7 of the first accused person's affidavit. My Lord, it says, on the 2nd of August 2021, the vehicle was taken for motor vehicle inspection. And the vehicle, after being inspected, was released to the OCS, who deployed it for normal police work. My Lord, the other issue that was raised is to challenge the integrity and credibility of our statements that the 10 people could not fit into a police Land Rover. Lord, I'll ask the court to take judicial notice. Those vehicles can carry up to 100 people. The police Land Rover is never full until there is nobody to arrest.
So that we get the correct picture, was it a Land Rover or a
Land Cruiser.
It was a Land Cruiser.
It is a Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
The new model is a Land Cruiser.
Saying Land Rover.
Sorry.
I was avoiding himself in writing police vehicle.
It is a Land
Somewhere
Cruiser.
It was stated that it was a Land Cruiser.
It is a Land Cruiser.
So you are saying the police Land Cruiser. That is what you urge the court to take judicial notice.
Judicial notice that a police Land Cruiser has no regulated carrying capacity like the public service vehicles. It can carry as many as they wish. serious issue was raised that the two young men could not jump. From a moving vehicle, I urged the court to take judicial notice that the current police land cruisers in use are covered by canvas, not metallic. No structural metallic instruments are in place to stop anybody from jumping. Lord Counsel for LSK drew us to the arena of a prima facie case